Soapy Kitchen, I got a wonderful new gift in the mail. So this is part of an exchange that I've done. Haven't done a lot of exchanges. If you are a soap maker, I would love, love, love to do a soap exchange with you. Yeah, so let me know. Let me know. I'd love to do that. I love, as you probably guessed, I love doing this kind of thing and promoting other soap makers. I promote myself all the time, but every once in a while I get to promote somebody else as well. And handmade soap is an incredible thing. And still 9/10 of the population hasn't even tried it. Bar soap has gone down in popularity. In fact, my most popular video is my cold process liquid soap and how to make it, which totally works, by the way. It's, one of my first videos. And I should make some more because I have a hot process method that a wonderful soap maker shared with me. And I need to do a live. Okay, so this is from Jen Strickland from Rawkin. Rawkin Spirit Soaps in, I believe, Missouri, Conway, Missouri. So if you're in that area, please buy her stuff. She also has a website, and she's made the most wonderful, amazing glove things for making soap and stuff. So there's some botanicals in here. Ooh, what has she sent me? I hope she sent me ingredients. That would be so cool. Oh, I love creating with new things. Let's see. Oh, Jen. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Maybe it's just her beautiful packaging. So let's see. So this is a cute little coaster, which I can use. I can totally use it right there. Let's move it so I'll let you guys see it for a while, and then I'll leave it here. That is the coolest functional business card I've ever seen. That's wonderful. All right, so we've got some beautiful botanical. Ooh, I can use that in a fun few things. That's a gift all on its own, isn't it, AD? Oh, AD from Davita Soap says that all the time, too. Ooh, so here's something with a heart on it. I wonder what this is. I wonder. Now, she makes the most lovely soap sleeves, too. So if you, oh my goodness, girl, you know me. This is going in my sunroom. I just did a big spring clean in my sunroom, and this beautiful crystal is going in there. Oh, that's a beautiful one. Oh, look at that. And you can put essential oils on that. Oh, and I'll warm up the room with all that beautiful scent. I will definitely be using this. Okay, so I got halfway into this review and the camera cut off on me, so I stopped just for you guys. So we'll recap. I got a crystal from Jen. Thank you, Jen. And all this beautiful stuff here. And what else have we got in here? Oh, looks like it's a bar of soap. I wonder if it's the egg soap. I hope so. Let's see. Oh, it's the her beer soap. Butterbeer, all in one bar. Oh, that's really pretty with the wax seal. Very cool. And a pretty little bookmark. And her card. Woohoo! Thank you, Jen. This was really, really nice. Oh, this is the green. This is the green exchange. She didn't want mine because they were different. She wanted different things, so I sent her something else with a little sample of mine. But this was super, super fun. Oh my goodness, this filling is definitely a gift all on its own. I'm so excited. Thank you, Jen. All these beautiful Oh my goodness, yeah, that's going right into my sunroom. This may sit here for a couple of days. Just, oh, isn't that gorgeous, guys? Enjoying the journey. True, 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 because that's half the fun. Sometimes it's all the fun. You get so excited about just getting there. You miss out on so much fun. All right, so if you enjoyed this gifting moment, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more similar content if I am lucky enough. Thank you so much, Jen. This was a fun collaboration between about, I think it was 18 different soap makers. And then a few of us did an exchange. Here. Let's get those a little closer so you can see them. Hey, Rawkin. 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 And then Jen and I did a collaboration of our own in April, May. No, we had a collaboration in March with a big group and then a collaboration with the two of us in April. So this was super, super fun. Alright, see you guys next time. Please click like and subscribe and come on back to my soapy kitchen anytime. Bye for now.